I would say to a high school student, whether you know it or not, and you probably know it, there's a certain baseline of rights you know you have. There are certain things that a police officer might do, not to make them a villain, but in a worst case scenario, they might do that are out of pocket, that go too far. How do you know that they're going too far? Well, it's because you have a sense for what the baseline is supposed to be. Some kids already know if, a police officer comes up to an individual and asks them a bunch of questions, an individual doesn't really have to say anything unless they're being detained, for instance. And they might ask, am I being detained? So there's all of these things and protections that exist. Folks might not know by name, kids might not know by name, but they enjoy, and on some level, they understand, because that becomes part of the baseline that we're used to. So two things have to happen. One is making sure that the baseline is what it needs to be. In our worst case, some might think that the baseline may be going away at moments, depending on what jurisdiction you're in, depending on where you are. But then there's also the matter of, as we're making sure that that baseline exists, holding it, keeping it. And it's up to young people to be our future in terms of calling those things out and holding us all as a society to account for keeping those rights.